आज की ये ऐतिहासिक विजय है, ये सामान्य विजय नहीं है। दिल्ली के लोगों ने आपदा को बाहर कर दिया। एक दशक की आपदा से दिल्ली मुक्त हुई।
Delhi has decided, and it's a ghar wapsi for the BJP after a gap of 27 years. The Saffron Party won close to 50 of Delhi's 70 seats, while the Aam Aadmi Party, which won 60 plus seats in the last two elections, was left with just 20 plus seats. Not having the capital, even as its footprint increased across the country, remained a sore point for the BJP. Arvind Kejriwal had fended off the BJP in the state elections twice since Narendra Modi became Prime Minister, and he had even fashioned himself as an alternative to the Prime Minister. In the last decade, the Kejriwal government was in constant conflict with the centre and the Lieutenant Governor. Determined to decimate AAP, the BJP left no stone unturned in Delhi.
जनता ने शॉर्टकट वाली राजनीति का शॉर्ट सर्किट कर दिया। दिल्ली का मालिक होने का घमंड था, उनका सत्य से सामना हो भी गया।
The BJP's victory in the Delhi Assembly elections is seen as a reaffirmation of the party and of Prime Minister Modi's reputation of being an electoral powerhouse. AAP started out strong, getting off the ground early in announcing candidates and going door to door. But the BJP leveraged Modi's popularity and the credibility of his guarantees. The party's strategy included promising not to stop popular welfare schemes and addressing middle-class concerns. BJP identified issues like air pollution, the contaminated Yamuna as failures of the AAP regime, thereby striking a chord with many voters.
दिल्ली का तो अस्तित्व ही मां यमुना जी की गोद में पनपा है। दिल्ली के लोग यमुना जी की इस पीड़ा को देखकर कितना आहत होते रहे हैं, लेकिन दिल्ली की आपदा ने इस आस्था का अपमान किया।
With two NCR states, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, already under the BJP belt, the party is saying that the victory in Delhi will help ensure better governance in the region. The BJP's big pitch is that a double-engine government will now ensure that all the party's election promises are kept. This will include clearing up the city, tackling pollution, garbage and sewage problems. While BJP will have its work cut out, it has the next 5 years to serve the people of Delhi and a proven track record in multiple states.